In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a simple logo in BeFunky. Start by heading to befunky.com in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the Graphic Designer workspace. This is where we'll build the logo. Click Graphic Designer, then choose Blank Canvas to start fresh. You'll be prompted to pick a canvas size. A square canvas works well for most logos, since it fits nicely on social media and websites. Something like 800 by 800 or 1000 by 1000 pixels is a solid choice. When you've decided, click Use to open your canvas. Now it's time to design. You'll create your logo using a combination of graphics and text. Open the graphics section to browse shapes, icons, and illustrations. Choose elements that match your brand's personality. Simple, recognizable graphics work best. You can resize, rotate, and position them with the handles on the canvas. Keep an eye on balance and spacing so everything feels cohesive. Next, add text for your brand name or initials. Pick a font that complements your graphic. Clean, legible fonts are ideal. Try adjusting letter spacing and line height to refine the look, and use color to create contrast between the text and the graphic. Remember, logos should be clear at small sizes, so avoid thin lines and overly complex details. When you've placed a graphic, click the graphic to open its properties, then click Options. Here, adjust the opacity to make the graphic more transparent if you want a softer or layered effect. Lowering the opacity can help blend elements or create subtle emphasis. Move the slider until the transparency looks right for your design. Do the same for your text. Click the text to open the text properties, select Options, and adjust opacity there as well. This is useful if you want the text to sit more softly against a bold graphic, or to create a hierarchy where one element stands out more than the other. Aim for consistency so the design feels intentional. If the graphic is very light, consider slightly reducing the text opacity to match. Once you're satisfied with the layout, colors, and transparency, click Save. Give your file a clear name and choose a format that suits your needs. For most logos, PNG is a great option because it preserves crisp edges and supports transparent backgrounds if you've used one. Save your design and you're done. That's it, your logo is ready to use across your brand. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating in BeFunky.